How to import contacts from Yahoo Mail to another Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to import contacts from Yahoo email to another Yahoo Mail easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to your mail. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on the settings option, and go down and click on more settings, and right here you will find many options. Just choose this one, click on contacts down here, and now you will find import contacts and click import here. Now you need to write the email of the email that you want to import contacts from. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much.